Welcome. Hamlin Beach State Park, upstate New York on the coastline of Lake Ontario. Here we are with everybody's favorite celebrity.
That's right.
Bundangbear.
I'm Bundangbear at Hamlin Beach State Park. It says road closed, 300 feet.
Road closed.
Yeah, this is Bundangbear playing the tricks on Hippie Trucker. Here we are. Well, look, we're in the Arctic. This is proof for the polar ice caps are melting. Here, how'd we make it to the Arctic so fast? How can we? Why were those snowmobilers being like, what the hell is, what's going on? Oh man, this is deep snow. Looking cold already. I'm looking good though.
Yeah.
Here.
Looks good.
What's up? Move it up.
There's a lot of snow.
I'm in the water. Help me.
You look kind of like you're in your element. Like a polar bear. And this, of course, these extreme cold weather events are part of the global warming pattern.
Nothing beats a day at the beach. Here we are.
Closer to the coast.
Walked on the path.
You can't really see the scale of those ice formations out there. But
Those ice formations are pretty big, see?
tall. Right on the edge of the lake.
No bathing.
Bathing.
All right, walking with the bear.
I guess you don't get to get in the water.
Look at that's all waves that have been frozen, isn't it?
I'm not sure it's actually waves, but it mimics the formation of the waves.
No, the snow's deep again. This sucks.
That's gonna
The lakescape. Look at that one way out there. You could ride that one right to Greenland.
Those are surfable waves.
Those are waves, huh?
That's the real deal rock.
Rock of what?
Thousands of years floating around Lake Ontario, smooth as a baby's ass. Perfect for building cobblestone houses and skipping. Little jetty constructed rock platform on the side of the
We go out on the jetty?
yeah.
Oh my.
Yeah, some of them used to go out 20 or 30 yards. I don't know. Still exist.
The creek? The big creek. Come on.
Inlet off the lake. This is cool. Got this.
Old school construction as we go out into Works WPA project. Wow. Yes. All right. Oh, that's as far as I'm going. You go. I'll follow you. That's the lake.
Lake Ontario, the mighty Lake Ontario.
All right.
This is the northernmost point in North America.
No, it's not. Huh? Maine's a lot further north, silly.
This is the northernmost point in North America.
Okay.
See, Arctic Circle, maybe 20 yards. Gander, Newfoundland, 125 kilometers that way. Watch out for polar bears.
Watch out.
This thing jump off there, dude.
I'll die. Oh my, we're in the lake. Dude, it's not frozen. Look it over there.
It's smacking some like underwater activity going on. Great. Wonderful.
Yo, yo, yo. One the only. Where's my hair?
It's gone. It's called bald spot.
Hey! Enough of you. If I want trolls, nobody wants to look at you, big nose. If I want trolls, I'll get them on YouTube. Nice beach, though. Nice beach.
It's vast. And really cold.
It's not that cold.
I'm sure you can tell by the video. It looks pretty damn cold from what I'm seeing.
It's not that cold. Stepping in the walking in the snow sucks, though.
It's cold if you're from Fayetteville.
Fayetteville. Go Razorbacks! Woo, kids! Shoo-wee!
Hey! See!
It's not how they do it. We're seeing things. We were trying to get the sound of the waves, but you've messed it up. There it goes. Listen up. Why does the sign say bathing?
Bathing.
That's so Victorian sounding, isn't it? No bathing.
It's like the Old North. We have the same lichens. Edible. In a minute we're going to see the Bundangbear show you how to eat some of these if you're ever in a situation where you need nutrition and you're not able to find food.
How?
You actually want to boil them up because they're really tough. You want to make like a soup out of them.
They smell tasty.
Kind of like a porridge. They don't taste good.
Earthy.
Mm-hmm. They taste like dirt.
I'm not going to eat it.
I wouldn't if you don't have to. But if you do, it's high definition. High definition lichen.
Yeah.
This actually could be the background of your first record. It's cool.
These do smell wicked good, though.
Bundangbear sings all your Japanese favorites.
I'm
Street date, March 21st.
I'm not Kuma-chan.
Sad, really.